Hello friends! In today's video, I am going to show you an amazing AI prompt generator tool. Using this tool, you can generate a professional monochrome portrait prompt with just one click. If you create Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, profile pictures, this tool will be very useful for you. In this tool, first, you get the option to choose the rim light color. For example, red neon, blue neon, purple, green, gold, cyan, pink, or multicolor neon lighting. Whatever color you select, the prompt automatically changes accordingly. After that, you can choose the aspect ratio. You can select 1:1 for Instagram posts, 4:5 for Instagram portraits, 9:16 for Reels or Shorts, and 16:9 for YouTube thumbnails according to your needs. Next comes the outfit section. Here, there are 3 options. The first one is preset outfits. It contains professionally designed outfit styles. The second one is keep from photo. If you select this option, the AI will preserve the exact outfit from your original photo. The third one is type my own. Here, you can write your own custom outfit description. For example, a black suit, leather jacket, casual hoodie, or any fashion style you prefer. After making all your selections, click on the Generate Prompt button. Within a few seconds, a professional AI prompt will be ready. This prompt includes monochrome black and white style, neon rim lighting, cinematic lighting, 8K quality. You can copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT or any AI image generator of your choice to create high-quality portrait images. The best part of this tool is that even if you are a beginner, you can create prompts like a professional prompt engineer. If you like this tool, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video with more AI tools and prompt engineering tricks. Thank you.